Not
You
were, yeah, Mr. Weather was just here not long ago.
And
But you were here not long ago.
okay. I think this is first.
You'll notice how the timeline is already getting murky in court small details, like when someone first appeared can make or break credibility. Do you think the judge will care about these date mix-ups?
Like at the end of July?
I don't remember that. I think it's our first appearance.
Is it?
Governor, he was indicted in July. This has to be his first year.
Yeah, this is our first time in court, Judge.
It's not on me to read one.
We brought her weather then, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I think it's our initial appearance. So I'm gonna call him here. I didn't know that. 9:16, 9 o'clock.
See, that thing was set back in July. Yeah, an initial appearance back in July. So it's set for an announcement today.
I believe Mr. Adams was unable to be here and I moved it. And so
Why did we give it an announcement?
No, I didn't want to make an announcement today. Judge, what I was gonna ask is, can I place it on another announcement docket? I did get all the written discovery from Mr. Ham. At some point in time, I'm about to give with Mr. Ham to go look at the video, looking at.
Well, here's the big twist. This defendant wants internet access for college work. Sounds reasonable, right? But hold up, the reason he's banned from the internet is chilling. Watch what happens next.
The nature of the charges. But what I did want today, Judge, is my client is a college student in Dallas, and with the internet restriction, then that kind of interferes with him being able to do his schoolwork in his classwork. So I do want to be able to use the internet for purposes. What college do you go to?
University of Texas at Arlington.
Yeah, University of Texas at Arlington. So with him being a college student, he would need access to the internet at least to complete his college assignments. So he would ask you to let him use the.
VO boom there. It is the judge drops the hammer child pornography charges carrying up to 10 years in prison. This isn't just about school Wi-Fi Anna Marie. It's about trust, accountability, and public safety.
Limited purpose of submitting his college assignments.
Yeah, I police that.
Because I
No,
mean,
police that. He got in trouble for doing it. That's why he's in trouble. Uploading a bunch of child pornography on the internet, right?
Yes, sir.
You're looking at 10 years in prison. And you're in college, you made a decision like that after being in an institution of higher learning. That's just not showing wisdom, is it? Fix it. You're smarter than that, aren't you?
no, sir. And Judge, only reason I asked it because he's a recent graduate from.
Yeah, I know. You know what you know why the law was instituted.
I totally
Children are victimized.
absolutely.
Nobody's sympathizing with him.
No,
They're sympathizing with all the victims.
VO, this is where the legal issue gets thorny. How do you police someone's internet use passwords? It can be shared devices, swap heads. So what safeguard would actually work here? Comment below what you think is fair.
Children who have been perpetrated as victims by the use of pornography, child pornography, and the accessing of pornography. Well, if you're so smart, you shouldn't be using a dadgum computer for that. Should be learning to make better choices in life.
And just the only reason
Anyway,
I had requested that because he just recently graduated from Kelly.
so what's his restriction right now?
Well, to my understanding, he can't use the internet at all.
How do we do that? Well, how are we policing that?
Because now with
No, how are we policing that? He can get somebody's user ID and password, and how do we know it's him? See, that's the point. Is I don't understand how that's enforceable. But
and the only reason I asked that, Judge, is that I use my son.
I know, but what is the safeguard we're using? How do we police it?
Maybe he can.
How do we know that's all he's doing?
We're
just using it for school.
I got an idea.
VO, powerful reminder from the judge. Every image represents a real child who's been victimized. This is the kind of statement juries hear that leaves zero room for sympathy. If this goes to trial, his chances are slim.
Maybe the University of Arlington school administrator community, I guess that would be their technical people, can make sure that his IP address is only accessing for schoolwork and that he's uploaded. Because like I said,
You get that done, I'll approve it.
okay, so you need to get with your school.
But you gotta give me something so that I can approve it. But
Yeah.
see, you made a mistake. You better fix it. But you also have to be careful about not falling backwards on this, because this is very serious. Every child, every image of child pornography is a victimization of a little child. Every image. You know better. Don't be getting near this. But you can see how it adversely affects your ability to do things in life.
Yes, it's
Like stay out of prison, get an education. Juries aren't, they see all those images in a trial, they don't have any sympathy for you. That's the history of what goes on in this room in these cases. I mean, you don't have a chance. You got to fix that and fix it quickly and be careful about the decisions you make. Get me something that I can rely on, that we can, they're confident in.
The state would like to get a copy, Judge, because my initial opinion is I object to him having any internet access.
no, I don't mind. I
Yeah,
can
we're
get
gonna
with
have,
him.
yeah, and I am too, until I can be, unless I can be assured that there's a safety mechanism for at least until we can get this case disposed. Then after that,
Yes, sir. I'll tell him to get with the IT people at this college, and then we'll come back to you and Mr. Ham with what they came up with.
just get it. Yeah, get it. He doesn't have to be here. Just get
Okay,
it.
just get it sent
Yes,
to
sir.
y'all. That's no problem.
All right. Next event.
Thank you, Judge.
Next event is what?
Just another, give me
It was set for an announcement. We'll do another announcement in
about 4 or 5 weeks.
6.
6 weeks, perfect.
Gotcha.
6
Okay,
weeks.
thanks. Okay. Get a resetting.
Thank you.
Donna Arnold.
Right.